Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that happens when you have a Microsoft account and multiple PCs over time is that these are logged into your Microsoft account. And of course, as time goes by, we might have PCs that we don't use anymore. We might have upgraded to a new PC and the old one isn't going to be used or is going to be used for something else. Maybe you give it to a friend or family member. What happens is that in the Microsoft account page, these PCs will actually accumulate. So in my case here, I've got 3 PCs that are registered. I had almost 10 several weeks ago. And that's because I had all the old PCs that I don't use anymore that were still in here. And it's a good idea to go here and, delete the unused devices. So do go to your Microsoft account and device page. When you go to the Microsoft account page at account.microsoft.com, you will log in, and one of the on the kind of the start screen, if you want, there will be devices, and here you check your devices and make sure that they're all used. And if you have old devices that are in here, it is recommended to remove. There is a removal here. It's in French, but it's a removal of devices. So like I said, had many devices that were registered here that aren't used or are used for some other purpose with different people. So I thought that, a little cleanup would not be a bad idea, especially since there are limits per account for different services. Like, for example, if you use the Microsoft Store, it has a 9-user maximum accounts that it can be used. So if you had older PCs and it goes above 10, you might find yourself in weird situations where it says, oh, well, we can't add this PC or do something with this PC because it's, it's like it's over the amount of, the maximum PCs allowed in your account. And that is simply because old computers are still registered in the Microsoft account. So don't forget to go there and try to and remove anything you don't use anymore. It is a good idea to do so. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.